Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we're making Amagwinya vetkoek. Just a simple way, just the way we like it in South Africa, guys. In my mixing bowl, guys, I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and in it I'm gonna put my 7 grams of instant yeast, and then my this is 6 spoons of brown sugar. Guys, if you have a sweet tooth like me, you can put like 6 spoons, but if you don't have, like, just put 4. Okay guys. And guys, this is my salt. It's a spoon of salt, and just mix everything together, guys. This is very simple. Mix everything together and just put your water. This is 1.5 cup of water, warm water, guys. Nothing is cold here. And I'm just gonna keep mixing, you guys. Point, guys, I'm just gonna go in with my hands. And keep mixing, guys, before I add my rama. Okay guys, I have my 2 tablespoons of melted butter here, and I'm just gonna throw it in there and keep mixing. Okay, I'm just gonna continue mixing. After this, guys, I'm just gonna rest my flour for 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna continue mixing. I'm gonna continue kneading my dough. I'm just gonna continue kneading my dough because this is very important, you guys. Guys, I did explain in my previous video how important kneading your dough is. If you haven't watched that video, it's a bread video. It's how I make my bread. Below this one, there is that video. If you haven't watched that video, please just go and watch it, guys. Please. Now I'm transferring my dough to my work surface, and I'm still gonna continue kneading, you guys. At least for 8 minutes, guys, not less than 8 minutes. For 8 minutes. 8 minutes, you guys. This dough is not easy to work with, guys, because it's wet. Okay? But this is vetkoek, you guys. You don't want hard vetkoek. That's why I made this dough this soft. So just continue kneading. If you need to sprinkle some flour, do so, and continue with the process. And then, guys, I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour in my container and just put my dough in there and rest it for 30 minutes until it doubles in size, for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, my dough has doubled in size, so now I'm just gonna give it a punch and just knead for a second before I shape my vetkoek. And guys, this is oil. I'm just gonna grease my surface, my work surface, with some oil, just to prevent my dough from sticking. Okay, now guys, I'm going to fry my dough. I'm just gonna fry it's my dough, my vetkoek. Okay guys, I'm just gonna fry. Okay guys, it's personal preference, you guys. If you like your vetkoek like brown, just leave them to fry a bit more, but I like mine just golden. I don't want them too brown, so that's why I am turning them right now. And my stove is on high heat. It's on 6. Depending on your stove, okay, because they're not the same. Just like ovens, they're not the same. They don't have like the same amount of heat. And guys, you can enjoy this with anything you like. I like mine with I like to enjoy mine with aloni. That's my number one. Aloni cheese or polony cheese and acha. Like those, you can enjoy them with anything you like. You can have them with your tea in the morning, whatever. Guys, right now in South Africa it's winter, and winter time we like our Amagwinya. Very simple process, guys. Very simple recipe, and anyone can do this, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys continue supporting me. So guys, yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys here to enjoy the rest of my video. Guys, thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Guys, look at this. Look how nice. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye.